So today's unboxing video is the Rapido Trains Dark Chocolate and Sea Salt Candy Bar. Kind of funny about the price considering the price of all their other products. Take a treat with you on the train, okay? Take a Rapidos. Interesting. I wonder who the manufacturer is. Could be Cadbury's or something like that. Doesn't have the manufacturer on there. Anyways, let's hope there are no bits and pieces that are broken. Oh, look at that. No stickers? Oh, come on. What? Where are the stickers? Oh, wow. Very nice. Oh, wait a minute. Piece fell off. Oh. 2 broken items from Rapido. Dang. Well, we'll have to take care of this and I guess melt it back together? I don't know. Anyways, there's the candy bar. I'll let you know. It's just okay. Not too bad. Anyways, that's all for now. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
You lunatics!